Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create one simple lamp in Blender, cartoon lamp in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our cartoon lamp, very easy and very simple model of a cartoon lamp. Let me save this image. This is a very easy cartoon lamp model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.